Well, we know from our evolution that we are evolved to live in polygamous mating systems. And we were living in polygamous mating systems until really quite recently in evolutionary time. And this is very important because what it means is that there's a sort of zero-sum game dimension built into, there's all kinds of things this is built into us. So the situation is the male wants sex. The female has something to risk from the sexual encounter, i.e. she can get pregnant and have children. So she wants investment. So then she will sexually select for the high status male. The high status male, both physically, i.e. he can protect her and things like this, that's why, and mentally, i.e. he can reach high status. So there's two dimensions in prehistory to status. One is that you can literally win fights. And the other is that you're intelligent and you're socially skilled and you're whatever, and you can hunt well, and you can, which is predicted by intelligence, and you can get to the top of the group. And this is why intelligence is part of a fitness factor associated with other genetic signs of health, including height. In men, but not women, intelligence is genetically associated with height. Intelligence is also genetically associated with physical health, with mental health, with basically everything that they would have selected for. You're selecting for a fitness factor. Now, of course, I'm not saying it's a strong correlation. I mean, there's all kinds of deviations from that. And of course, in recent history, being muscular and in particular has been less necessary. But it's still the case among women, and it's built into them to be sexually attracted to tall, at least relatively tall men. Too tall and they're a freak with mutant genes that might have other problems. But up to about sort of 6'2". And this is why men that are short, that are really short, that are sort of 5'6" or less, will have trouble. But so that's the kind of thing. So then this is then the quid pro quo that is engaged in, and then the male says, okay, well, if I have to invest in you, I want evidence that the offspring are mine.